Hey lovelies, I'm so happy you are here. Welcome back to Luxe. If you haven't feeling like your hair is getting a bit thin or losing its spark, don't worry. I've got you covered. Today we are diving into the absolute best short Pixie cut trending right now in 2026. These looks are specifically for my stunning senior ladies and those over 50, 60, 70 who want to feel elegant and fresh. We are talking about styles that don't just look good but actually give your hair that and volume it needs. You are going to see so many beautiful options today. You would find styles with soft side bangs that frame the face perfectly, and some with that gorgeous tapered crown to give you a natural lift. Whether you want something edgy or a look that is more classic and soft, there is definitely a style in this video that will make you want to call your hairstylist immediately. Now, check out these silver and grey transitions. This here is all about embracing your natural color but giving it a sharp shape. A tight tapper at the back keeps things neat, while leaving the top a bit longer allows you to play with different parts. This style is sophisticated, clean, and honestly, it looks like $1,000,000. For my ladies who love a bit of mystery, these side swept bangs are a game changer. They hide forehead lines and draw all the attention right to your eyes. It's a very soft, feminine way to do a short cut without it feeling too masculine. Before we get to the rest of the styles, remember, with tiny hair, less is more. When it comes to products, avoid heavy oil that weigh things down. Stick to light mousses or volume sprays to keep that lift all day long. I really hope these styles give you the confidence to try something new. You deserve to look and feel amazing at every age. So stick around and watch this video to the end to see the rest of the styles. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. To tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.